So we decided for the 4 roll forming lines from Dreisstern, due to their flexibility, capability, quality deliverance, and also ability for the future to ramp up to the kind of production levels that we needed. But it was also a choice for the team and the cooperation that we had with Dreisstern from the very beginning of the project. So the plant in Slovakia that we're developing now is critical to the growth of our business in Central Europe. Previously, we've had a historical issue of fulfilling orders in that we had too much demand and not enough capacity to complete the orders. This plant will give us a 1 million per year tank capacity, enabling us to service our OEM and direct customers, and also to enhance our transportation links within the European Union. I think the cooperation between my team and the Dreisstern engineers from the very beginning of the project has been nothing short of excellent. We've faced many challenges along the way because what we're doing here is slightly unique for us as a business, but every time that we've come up with a challenge, Dreisstern's found a solution. I think that is the most important factor that we've felt through this process. So when I walk through this facility at the moment, although it's not 100% completed as yet, what I feel is a huge amount of pride, mostly because of the fact that if you came here 12 months ago, this was just an empty field. There were deer running around this facility. We've gone from that to a fully fledged, ready to go production facility in 12 months. We've engineered some topics that we've never ever engineered before and are new to the industry, and the advancements will keep coming. But mostly I'm proud of the fact that this has been done in collaboration with our partners, and we look forward very much to our opening ceremony later this year. Dreisstern was the right partner for this project because of the way that we've worked together as a team. I think that it's been 2 different companies but one team that's actually built this solution. We came with a very demanding list of objectives, which not many people could supply to us. With Dreisstern, they've delivered 100%. So Dreisstern was the right partner for this project because they've always felt like we were one team, not 2 separate entities delivering a solution. We came up with some very challenging requirements for Dreisstern. 100% of the time, they've solved every single one and delivered a 100% solution.